Okay, I believe this is demo number 13 of State of the Invade. What it is I'm going to show you what I've done so far. I've added a console type command screen with alpha transparencies, an alpha blend transparency, meaning that whatever it'll show when the form is above the previous window, whatever's behind the current window will be still visible. And to show you what I'm meaning by that is, like, here's the game screen as it is, and as you can see, I'm spitting out these bots. They're red, and the middle ones are blue, as you see, because my state testing isn't complete there, where I'm testing if bots are close to each other or not. If they're close, like if these are touching almost, and they should be different colors. I'm going to program that later. But what I want to show you here is if you press the tilde key, it'll bring up a window. Boom. Now you can still see the dots behind this window, and you can see the cursor is blinking on this command screen that I've created. That way it's more like a debug screen. It'll help me in programming. And as I found, debugging DirectX applications are a lot trickier than doing normal Windows-based, Win32-based applications, due to the fact that you're dealing with graphics, and there's huge libraries of graphics that are used to make the graphics, and to trace through and step through all the different commands are it's tedious. This debug screen is going to be nice, and as you can see, as I press the tilde key, it'll open and close, and well, that's a little bit of progress so far. I could have centered this, made it up here, down low, but actually I like how it is right now. As you can see, there's no commands or debug information getting displayed in here, and I'll be working on that in the next little bit here, showing different system events, debug information, and I'll be able to issue commands, like I'll make some internal commands, like, what's an example, like shut down, right? If I hit enter, boom, the whole computer was shut down. Or I could program my own little commands in here that can be used as like kind of like cheats, not cheats, but more like developer commands, system commands. I'm gonna make my own commands for the game, and that way I can have a lot of control while I program it. But like example, instead of pressing the mouse button, I could call the event create bot, and I could go like 1,0, enter, and that would create a bot. But it doesn't work now. I hit enter, it doesn't do nothing. But if I click a button, that create bot event gets done, and I'll show you that here. Example, I have this this create bot event, and I'll show you. It's in my published types and procedures. To create bot, you know, I could create this procedure to be as a command. I'll do it just to show you. In that case, I'm gonna have to go to my console and go to I'll go to the console, go to the window, and go to the on enter event, on key down, and I'll do F key down, F key equals enter is 13, then anything in here is going to process the command f edit command dot text is equal to create bot, create bot, 1,0. Then here's where I'm gonna create the. I'm gonna pull up the event. Create bot 1,0. Now, in a sense, now watch what happens here. This would be my first command. Now, after that's done, I'm going to make it nice and neat here. I'm going to make it so that thus the event gets erased, or the text gets erased, for starters, and then what else should I do here? Oh, and then I'll make it so that in the memo, or in the debug information, this screen here, I called it memo console display. I'll call it that, and I'll add a line. I'll make it say a new what should I say? Bot created. You know, this is very lame, and this is very lame actually, but it'll work for just showing you what the power I have. Okay. Anyways, let's start it up and see what happens. Okay. Let's do one of these. Okay, let's pull the tilde key. If I type create bot, actually I'm gonna do one of these. Just so I don't like it. If it's just create bot, that. If create bot, enter. Just look at that. The bot got created. Okay, you know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about here. Okay. Anyways, that's it so far on the State of the Invade demo number 13. If you want to get a hold of me, email me at burndata@hotmail. Okay, later.